I guess really, at the end of the day, I'm kind of a hillbilly. I just got the luxury of growing up around the ocean. And so a lot of my hillbilly kind of country redneck style kind of comes into my whole identity of my aura with my branding.
As soon as you cross the border, boom, just like flags in front of every fucking building out there. Every house.
I guess Rooster Brand kind of was born out of a bit of my southern culture and heritage. You know, things I enjoy along with surfing and making surfboards, working with my hands, such as building motorcycles or doing metal work. And so kind of goes a bit hand in hand with my surfboard kind of look and design theories, along with some of my other interests. Freedom and self-expression is one of the things I'm trying to encompass of what I am and what I do. You know, I don't really like look at other people for their approval. I kind of keep my circle tight, and people that appreciate the craft that I do and what I have to offer. That's what's important to me, not hitting the masses. But I've been in boards 30 years nearly, and I've always worked for other people. So in the last 5 years, just doing my stuff has been kind of like the end goal of what I wanted to accomplish, is to do my own thing on my own terms in my own space. So I feel very fortunate to have the Rooster Ranch here, where I grow my own vegetables, raise me chooks, get me eggs. I'm pretty self-sufficient here. I've got obviously my play shed up here with my bikes, and I got my factory downstairs and don't really have to leave home to do anything. I pretty much stay up here all the time. I'm the hermit, the hillbilly hermit.